Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the network name and network password on this Motorola modem router phone line combination. And I'll go through this step by step, but before we begin, I wanted to let you know that I do have other videos on this Motorola modem router phone line combination, and I'll link those videos in a playlist at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time, please check that playlist out. And I'll be demonstrating how to do this on our Motorola modem router phone line combination model MT7711. Okay, so the factory default network name and network password should be listed on a label on the bottom of the Motorola modem router phone line combination. And something to keep in mind is that when we do change the network name and Wi-Fi password, anything that you currently have connected to Wi-Fi will no longer be connected to Wi-Fi, and you'll have to log all of those devices back in. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we're either connected through Wi-Fi or through Ethernet to the Motorola modem router phone line combination. Okay, and then the next thing that we need to do is to log into the configuration manager, and the IP address and configuration manager username and password should be listed on that label on the bottom of the Motorola modem router phone line combination. Okay, and then you'll enter the IP address into the address bar in your web browser, and you'll enter the username here, and then you'll enter the password here. And if you've changed your username and password and you no longer remember them, you may need to do a factory reset on the Motorola modem router phone line combination to reset the username and password back to the factory defaults. I do have a video where I show how to do that, and I'll link that video in the playlist at the end of this video. And then once you've entered the username and password, you'll select the login button here. And after you've logged in, this should be the next screen that you see here, and this is where you can enter your network name and password information for the 2.4 gigahertz band and for the 5 gigahertz band. And once you've entered your network name and password for the 2.4 gigahertz band and your network name and password for the 5 gigahertz band, you can select the save button, and then once everything's saved, then you can select the log out button. And just remember that after you change your network name and password, anything that you previously had connected to Wi-Fi will no longer be connected, and you'll have to reconnect all of your devices. Okay guys, well that was it for this video, and I hope it's been helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I do have other videos on the Motorola cable modem router phone line combination, and I'll link those videos in a playlist at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time, please check that playlist out. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.